Oh, that's made no difference.
You get rid of gloves at the back for that.
Fucking sounds like a trials bike. And away we go. Left one. One's already gone.
Bye.
Bye. Morgan's bike went fuel. Got feels like Top Gear Challenge, doesn't it? See you later, mate.
See you later on.
Sorry, mate. See you in a bit. Wish us luck. Well, hopefully, drain the tank and try.
Yeah.
Try and get it right, because you can meet us in Launceston, you can meet us in Bodmin.
Yeah.
We're probably not going to be in fucking Nuke. We're supposed to make it to Newquay tonight.
No chance.
We're going to be riding till late, aren't we?
I told you you're going to need light.
I've got... Oh! I've got lights.
Luckily.
Yeah, probably. See you in a bit. See you later, Morgan. Come on, Nathan.
What Morgan points me off?
Till Land's End.
25 miles.
35 miles.
Is that doing the tech route though? Because it's supposed to be 120 just to Newquay. Yes, sir. Go, our first bit of off-roading. Have you heard Nathan's tyres? Away you go, come on then boys! Hey! I did a skidder and my back brake binded. My pillow keeps coming off.
Yeah.
But I'm not confident.
Have you been next to his bike when he's riding with it going brap, brap?
Oh. That's fun. It's so fun.
My arse is killing me. My pillow keeps trying to leave me.
Oh, fuck's sake. You haven't actually done a green lane yet. I hit that match.
Right, hopefully the audio's not too... It's going to be very nasally, isn't it? Oh.
I'm gonna hear you riding gun.
Right, he started. Smells very fuely. Oh shit! I left me stand up. Oh, there we go. Sorry if the audio's very nasally, because the microphone is literally up my nose. I don't have a... Ah! Ah! Oh, there's a spider in my helmet! Has he got it in my ear? Ah! 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 I don't like it! Oh, fucking hell. Oh, that's probably a better idea. Nathan on his MZ is so funny. You should hear it when he goes over a bump. His wheels just rub against his frame. It's so funny. My front tyre feels really flat. I'm losing my pillow. I wonder if you can hear it rub. Oh! Oh! I can't. Can you hear me laughing?
I just have to keep going. If I stop or let off the throttle, I can't do nothing.
for?
Huh?
Huh? Ride it up. I'm not going to ride it. We're just going to push it. It's too high off the ground, I think.
I just got literally no tread on these shoes. They're fucking slidey as fuck.
Yeah, I've got no grip at all on these.
Can we get lunch after this? Absolutely fucked after that. Took my bike up. Took my dad's bike up. Everyone's pushing behind them because we can't get up it. Doesn't look very steep on camera, but it's so slippy. It's like it's oily. I think this is called Angel Steps. So we're just going to take it in turn, pushing the bikes up because it's really hard going. Jacob just can't stand still. He's away! Those tyres are fucking useless, aren't they? That'll do. The problem is there's no... Oh my god, Jago, you're in trials boots!
I hear a noise and look over, he's lying on his... How am I going to get fuck up this?
Them tyres are dog shit, aren't they?
Hey, they're shit, they're just sliding everywhere.
I'll be better barefoot.
To be fair, it's getting there. You're nearly at the worst bit.
I might have to.
He's on the fucking floor again. Have you been drinking?
No.
I bet it's better as well tiring keep getting off the floor.
I'm fucking wet.
He's loving it, it's wet.
I love that he's still got the brake in his fingers.
Turn the fuel off. So it'll clear it.
Huh?
Turn the fuel off and it'll clear it when it's running.
Oh fuck me, this is funny. I'd just slowly walk it up.
Yeah, should we just try and push it?
No, I meant when it runs.
Oh, right.
That's it, just sit down, Jay.
We ends up anyway.
There we go. How are you feeling after that, Nathan?
Not good, I'll be honest.
Good on your bum, dude.
Just keep the camera on Jago because he will fall over.
He sapped it like 20 times. Get him wear his helmet to the POV.
Oi Jay, I don't mind swapping boots. Go on, go on! He's coming! Ah! I'm coming, I'm coming. Jay, you did really well. That was really good.
Yeah.
I don't know how you got off the bike and got down here so quick.
One more?
It's worked.
Yeah,
That's
it's
fixed.
fucking fixed.
Do you want another one? I reckon you can
Get
maybe
more.
weld that tonight.
Get your repairs done at Holsworthy, what are you called? I can't remember what it's company.
Sofa barn.
Sofa Barn, yeah. Now taking on bike
This isn't a
repairs.
plug for your business.
I'm just showing
My
the 200 subscribers the
200.
Yeah, you straighten it up.
Just go straight in the wall.
bit late to be doing this, isn't it, really?
We call an Uber.
Can't go home.
No. just do this.
Well, it didn't like being sat still, does it?
No,
Is it flooding itself?
Flooding. Wide open. It sounds like when you start like an old diesel.
So slippery, isn't it?
Oh!
I'm just going to leave it here. I'll walk the rest of the way, it'll probably be quicker anyway.
Hold it wide open. It's just flooded, isn't it?
Will it help?
Just launched myself at the last bit. Oh, stuck in the edge.
She's doing well, mate. She's doing well.
Making it.
Huh?
I'm surprised all of them made it, to be fair.
I know. Dad's bike fucking flew up.
Yeah.